Good morning. Oh my gosh, good morning. Had a bit of a slower start to my morning. I tried the acai bowl, but I put it in the freezer yesterday. I don't know, that just made sense to me. And it was like very frozen. So then I tried to because I've gotten like the frozen bowls before. And I just, put it in the microwave for a little bit. So I tried to do that. It was still kind of frozen. And the parts that weren't, it just tasted like yogurt, which wasn't the vibe I was going for. Well, now I'm thinking that I had tried it before, like the one from Safeway. So not my favorite. But it's like 10 a.m. I have a meeting at 1:30, but I want to make my salteñas for lunch. So I think I'm going to start now because I think it takes a little while because I have to make like the dough and everything. So I'd rather start now and hopefully have it ready for lunchtime around noon-ish. Yeah. So come make these salteñas with me for the first time. I also don't know if I explained yesterday what salteñas are, if you don't know. I believe they're originally Bolivian, but we eat them in Peru. They're like empanadas, but like more like a soupy filling. Okay, so I melted down, oh, you can't even see it. Melted down the gelatin. I'm gonna chop up the vegetables while the potatoes are boiling. And so I think I need onion. I have, what do you call it? Green onion. And I have to find the peas. I don't know what peas are. And then I'll have to shred the potato. I do tend to not do well with cutting onion, but so I will like lose my eyesight. Update, we don't have peas, so I'm gonna run to the store real quick. And then I can finish. Most of my stuff for the filling is done. Just need to do the meat, and then I'll throw in the peas and everything else. And then we'll make the dough. That got really chaotic because I spilled the paprika and some of the sugar everywhere. So I made the filling. I think I put a little too much of like the spicy sauce for my liking, but because it'll be a little like wet and whatnot, I feel like it's not gonna be that bad. Time to make the dough. has been the most chaotic time of my life. And then the people who were gonna fix our roof came, and so then my dog wouldn't stop barking. Anyways, I've only really made 4. They're all weird sizes, and I don't know how to fold. But I'm gonna see how those turn out. Hopefully good, and that's gonna be my lunch. And my meeting starts in like 15 minutes, so I have to change. Okay, you guys, my nose is running, but I tried it. It actually tastes pretty good. It's not liquidy at all, and I don't know why I thought it would be, because there was no liquid in it. But I feel like that's what salteñas were, or I'm getting it wrong, but I feel like they had a little more of like a soup to them inside. Anyways, I ate one of the smaller ones I made. The other ones are a little really a little big. But the one I had was kind of small, so I don't know. I'm trying again. Let me show you my little, oops, what's this? My folding job on this one that I think I did a lot better. Look at the hat. And this one's falling apart. But these are the ones I made. Look at them. I still have about half left that I'll make later. But these look better. This one's a little too long. This one looks good. Okay, so my parents came home. We ended up finishing making the rest of the salteñas. They liked them. My dad gave them like an 8.5 and my mom a 9. They said it could have used more salt, and my dad would have liked some olives in it, but I do not like olives. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I mentioned. So it was like, I think I said it was like really chaotic. Everything was everywhere. All the dishes were piling up. And my meeting was about to start, so I was like so stressed out about it. And then the doorbell rang, and we had people come fix our roof. And so I was like, there's too much going on, and I was like covered in flour, and I was like, this is so embarrassing. But anyways, did my little meeting. Finally tried the salteña, and yeah, so I think it turned out pretty good. Definitely could improve on it. My folding has gotten better since the first one, but maybe I try them again for Christmas. Okay, I almost forgot the advent calendar time. Day 4 is new. Yeah, they are then all just the same. Because the first day it looks smaller, but the rest has been the same.